Today in this video I want to share about how we can test LED light. So in the long form, this is a light emitting diode. For the short, we call LED. So we can test this LED with a battery, or we can test with a multimeter. So either you use multimeter, is analog or digital. You can use to test with both. So we have to know about that LED is initially all 3 volt working voltage. So all this LED is we work around for 3 voltage, and the current will be 30 milliampere, which is a very small. Alright, so once you have LED, you can very simple way to test with 2 pieces of AA battery or multimeter, or you can use either 12 volt, or you can use a 5 volt, or you can use 9 volt battery. So I'm going to use with this 3 volt battery because this is AA battery. So every battery there we have the size and the voltage. So this is not rechargeable. The size is AA, which is AA battery, and the voltage is 1.5 volt. So 2 pieces of 1.5, we have the output 3 volt. The longer pin is basically the positive. So positive, we goes to the red wire, which is positive, and negative. Alright, so we can see this, the LED light is on. So this means this LED is good. So we can see the LED light is on, and this will not burn out. It's safe. So here, every LED you can test. Red is positive. So red we plug to the long pin, and black here. So this is good, and it's very simple. It's good. So which color this one? It's blue. It's blue. So the light will be a little bit different because some of the LED will be a little bit lower voltage, but as long as you have the 3 volt battery, you can test all LED. So it's safe, you don't have to scare. You can test every piece of LED, that this will not burn out. And here I have 3 pins LED, which is one in the middle is a little bit longer, which will be the common. So the common will be, we're not sure which one is a positive common or negative common. So we just direct plug into the in the middle pins, we put it to the negative and this side, and we get a green, and the other one we get red. So this is 3 pin LED, but it's 2 color. So once we apply the long pin to the negative, and each side we have a different color. How about this? This also 3 pins. So this is 4 pin. So 4 pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 pin LED. 4 pin LED. So the longer pin is we just put to the common negative, and we place to the other one. Yeah, we get this blue color, and we twist the other one. This is green color, which is this red. So this is red, green, blue. So that's we call RGB, and the common pin is negative. Right. So as long as you have 3 volt battery, you can test all LED. But in case if you don't have 3 volt, if you have 12 volt battery, something like this, this is 12 volt, and if you want to test the LED, and you click to positive here, and what we can do is we need to apply 1 kilo ohm resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor here, and we just place here. Positive we apply to 1 kilo ohm resistor to limit the current not to blow to the LED, and here's of course positive, and the negative we connect to negative here. So this position you can test all LED. If you directly you plug into positive here, the LED will be burned out. So we must use 1 kilo ohm resistor. So every piece is the same. So if you want to test all LED with 12 volt, we just need to apply a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Alright, so this will work. So the simple way is I mostly prefer to use multimeter, which is analog, and you just select to ohm scale here. It's fine enough, times 10, and you can simply test LED. So these LEDs work. Times 10K here. This is good. It's good. And the 4 pins you can simply test with this analog multimeter. So the long pin you simply point to, we're going to test with the red lead, and here, so it's not work. So the long pin we're going to put black lead, so this work. So the common is black, but for analog multimeter, common black is anode. So this is anode, common anode, RGB. So this position you can test all kinds of LED. You just make sure that your LEDs work, and its 2 pins are very simple. If you have a 3 pins, you have to find out which pin is the common, and the common is either is positive or negative. Alright, so if you have a bunch of LED, you can test in this position. Alright, so I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video.